going to do the Rolling Stones version, and then I'm going to do the Devo version. You know what I'm talking about. I can't get no satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction, 'cause I try, and I try, and I try, and I try. I can't get no, no. I can't get no, no. When I'm driving in my car, and the man comes on the radio, he's telling me and more about some useless information, supposed to fire my imagination. I can't get no, no. Oh, no, don't. Hey, don't. That's what I say, don't. I can't get no, satisfaction, I can't get no damn satisfaction, 'cause I try, and I try, and I try, and I try. I can't get no, I can't get no, when I'm watching my TV and the man comes on and tells me how alright my shirts could be. And he can't be a man 'cause he does not smoke the same cigarettes as me. I can't get no. Hey, that's what I say. I can't get no satisfaction. I can't get no girl reaction, 'cause I try, and I try, and I try, and I try. I can't get no, and I can't get no, when I'm riding around the world. And I'm doing this and I'm signing that, and I'm trying to make some girl who tells me, baby, better come back this next week, 'cause you see me, I'm on a losing streak. I can't get no, don't. Hey, don't. That's what I say, don't. I can't get no, I can't get no, I can't get no, satisfaction, no satisfaction, no satisfaction, no satisfaction, I can't get no. So there's a Devo version. So let's do the Devo version. So I have to look it up. Take me to the Devo version. Devo satisfaction. Okay, this is the no. I can't get me no satisfaction. I can't get me no satisfaction. And I try, and I try, and I try to try. I can't get no don't. I can't get me no don't. When I'm riding in my car, and a man comes on the radio, and he's telling me more and more about some useless information, supposed to fire my imagination. I can't get no, don't. Hey, no. what I say. Don't. I can't get no. I can't give me don't satisfaction. Don't. I can't get no. Don't. Girly action. Don't. And I try. And I try. And I try. Try. I can't get no. No, it goes. I can't get no satisfaction. Can't give me don't. When I'm watching on my TV and a man comes on to tell me how white my shirts could be, but he cannot be a man because he does not smoke the same cigarettes as me, and I can't get no. Hey, don't. That's what I say. Don't. And when I'm flying around the world, and I'm doing this, and I'm trying to do that, and I'm trying to make some girl tell me, baby, better come back later next week, because you see I'm on a losing streak. I can't get no. Hey, that's what I say. I can't get no satisfaction. 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 I can't get no. No. I can't get no satisfaction. I like the Devo version better, and I didn't do it right. I know I didn't do it right. I was still thinking of the Rolling Stones version. So let's go down the rest of this playlist. The playlist I'm looking at is the Rock and Roll Classics playlist on Spotify. The one that's got what is his name? Lead singer to Led Zeppelin. I don't know. I know his name. It's not coming to me right now.